Guys, I was trying to make a quick playtime video, but I'm gonna speed run these. I don't know if I can make long videos or stuff, but I don't know anything. Like, new game. Skip intro. Oh. Speed. Question. Kids, I want you. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna tell you that word I said. It doesn't really mean anything. It's just a cuss word, okay? It means. Okay, probably green, pink, yellow, red. What's off? It's this part. Frick. What am I cussing? Come on, at least show it. Let's go! It's probably gonna be slow because I'm already gonna do it, like, but I'm gonna upload this because the reason is the last video I did, probably playtime, it got like 71 views, more than my most popular video, so that's why I'm doing it. Just hurry up with, I swear to fucking God, I will fucking go crazy and fucking okay, hurry up! Hurry the hell up, you little... It was a joke. What's the time? Playtime! Playtime. Wait, playtime? That's probably from Playtime Chapter 3. Okay, guys, now I just need to see Huggy, and then I'll do part 2, because I tried to do a normal one, but then I'll do part 2, because the other one got 71 views, so don't worry. Just make this probably short, and then I'll do part 2 as a short. Probably. Unless it doesn't upload. Anyway, okay, we don't have to. Time to stop recording, everybody.